What's up YouTube? In this episode of The Gear Shelf, I'm going to teach you how easy it is to connect a dual monitor to any Mac. All you're going to need for this is a secondary monitor, a Mac, doesn't matter if it's a desktop or a laptop, and a dongle or way to attach it. So for an example, I am using a Samsung A7000 4K display with a 21.5 inch iMac. So I have a little Anker dongle in the back that I am going to connect the HDMI from the monitor to the Mac. So essentially, once you have your monitor connected, all you're really going to have to do is wait for your monitor to turn on, and your Mac should recognize the display. I'll make sure your monitors are aligned properly. We're going to navigate over to System Preferences or System Settings in Ventura, and you will go all down to Displays. And this is where you can make sure that your display is on the correct orientation and where it is when you move your mouse back and forth. So you'll move this to fit accordingly. Now, this is a bonus tip for you. So if you're like me and you have a bunch of hard drives connected, and what you'll notice is when you boot up your new monitor, you're going to just see none of your Finder folders or anything will exist on your second monitor. So essentially what we want is we want this folder right here to be on this other monitor. So essentially all you're going to have to do is you're going to right click on whatever you want, and you are going to choose Make Alias. And what this means is it's literally just a reference little file, and you're going to drag this over to the new one. You can actually do this with any folder you want. So if you have a folder on your hard drives, for an example, you can create aliases and put them on your desktops. That's a little bonus tip for you. If you enjoyed this short tutorial, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.